How has both of your experience of playing football has culminated into shaping the next generation? All the professions have changed. How are you looking forward to the days of you playing and now the way you are training the boys or the girls for the next generation?
I'm thoroughly in professional coaching, but my colleague Mr. Gavin is in both the ways that he's a good instructor of All India Football Federation, doing the courses and all. He is much deeper into it, and he's a good teacher as well as. And we thought that we have to be on one page, and we need to focus on our development of the boys, and we love that, and we exchange good ideas. And as well as he is an instructor, I sit with him, talk to him, so share some ideas, and that's what we both together we like to be on one page and do our best for the youth.
Gavin, you have a history of being into football and also training, coaching in general, and with respect to courses, getting the boys and the girls to play football, shaping them, and more importantly, channelizing the energy that or the information that you have, the experience that you have. How has been that impacting Sesa Football Academy or academy in general?
We have to thank the earlier coaches who were in charge here. Charles continued their legacy, and I'm happy to be here in last 2 months to take it forward, and hopefully I can take it to the next level. When it comes to training, yes, football has changed over the years and training as well. I was in the academy from 92 to 95, which is the SI Academy. If I connect my training to modern training, it's completely different. And you are rightly, you pointed out that all the professions have changed. And similarly, football as well. And today's football is more about intensity, and in general, the generation itself is about fast food or anything is fast. So even the training and the football, what we enjoy is why English football is appreciated around the world. It's because of the intensity of football. So our focus in mainly is about the intensity of training and how the intensity of play, because that is dictating terms now. It's not only how good you are with the ball, it's how quick you are with the ball and
Hmm.
how quicker you can survive for
Hmm.
that long.
Hmm.
Example 90 minutes. So
Hmm.
that determines your level of play. So that is our focus here at Sesa, where we are trying to move with time and trying to keep pace with time. And I think that will be integral part of how far we go this year.